While the world is grappling with making its way through the new normal, it has been shown through research that the process of combating the disease goes beyond just following safety measures, as it often gets crucial to maintain hygiene standards thoroughly.
A survey conducted on people who are moving outside for work purpose shows that 67% of them could not even properly name 3 simple food items that can enhance their immunity.
This denotes challenges do exist in prioritizing the importance of nutrition into safety measures against COVID.
Inspired from these notions, we Team Quintessential have come up with our 3 sustainable big ideas to ensure a proper nutritional balance for every individual by using our purpose-led brand Knorr. Project Knorr Today. A research conducted on COVID patients noted that nearly 48% of them presented loss of appetite, citing it as their chief complaint. However, it's important to ensure the food intake in order to have the body supplied with necessary nutrients. Here, soups can work as an active resource of ample vital nutrients and a necessary fluid supply to body for its appealing taste, easy consumption and easier digestive features. In our project Knorr Today, we will be collaborating with Bosundhara Group and Bidyananda Foundation to create a nutritional support partnership at their newly established hospitals and shelters so that we can ensure proper nutrition for especially those who live under the poverty line. Our entire campaign will be carried out as a 3 touchdown-centric movement. In our first stage cure, we will be providing nutritious and deliciously flavored Knorr food supplements absolutely free of cost to the COVID patients admitted currently with the help of medical officers and volunteers. Our second stage recover will be handing out the COVID patients a token of nutrition, a hashtag Knorr Today booklet, a complete solution to help them regain their energy to recover from COVID. The last stage protect will be providing a 24/7 toll-free Knorr helpline to the discharged patients for any kind of complications they face after being discharged. By conducting our Big Idea 1, Knorr will be established as the first consumer brand to address the social cause of rightful distribution of sustenance among COVID-19 patients, regardless of their purchasing capabilities.
Project Cooking Against COVID.
In 2020, there were 36 million social media users in Bangladesh, which is 77% of total media consumption according to COVID Sentiment Online Survey. Based on this huge community reach, we will launch Knorr Presents Cooking Against COVID, a nutritious defense. It is an online-based culinary-themed video playlist which aims at strengthening the immune system against COVID situation.
Our TG for this program are active social media users, online video streamers, the individual homemakers and families who are self-quarantined or in isolation now.
It will be broadcast from official Facebook page and YouTube channel of Knorr Bangladesh. The 3 vital segments are:
Number 1. Sustenance. The show will be featuring distinguished chefs and popular food bloggers trending on social media will share their nutritious recipes and reviews to stay a step ahead of COVID. Number 2. Guidance. Esteemed nutritionist will also be featured in the show sharing guidelines on food ingredients selection, safe food handling practices and healthy diet instructions. Number 3. Engage. We will ask the audience to share their personally improvised recipes and the best one will be featured on the show. Also, a short quiz session will be conducted after each episode. We will also partner with Patha Parcel Service to reward exciting prizes for the winners at their doorstep.
Through this, we will be able to raise awareness of keeping good health and also arrange a healthy entertainment by enhancing social media outreach.
Project Immunity.
Participation in Bangladesh labor force is around 36.3%, where half of women suffer from chronic energy and nearly 1/3 women suffer from nutrition deficiency.
We tend to make our women folk boost up their immunity against pandemic and other health issues so that they can serve our country with all horsepower. Our identified TG are the women in various workforces who are moving out for work purpose, risking their threat of COVID. We tend to execute our project in 2 phases. Initially, we will be partnering with Joita Foundation, an organization working for women entrepreneurs.
A day-long campaign will be launched engaging some group of women maintaining all the precautions of COVID-19. Our day-long campaign will contain some interactive segments as nutrition hacks about special care in special time like in periods, pregnancy, menopause and also immunity to fight against COVID. There will be other segments on mental health, self-defense tactics and various fun activities like cooking challenge, simulation game, etc. At the end of our campaign, we will provide a gift hamper to everyone having some items of Knorr just to cherish the memory of our day-long campaign.
Based on the outcome, later we will expand our campaign to community outside Dhaka, collaborating with development organizations such as BRAC and engaging homemakers as well.
By selecting our zone-wise immune icon, we will create a country-wide sustained women folk network ensuring the health and well-being to power up the role of women in the new normal.
Aim is to enable every individual to stay as healthy and as competent so that if they're asked, what do we say to the virus of corona, they can reply in the tone of Arya Stark, "Not today."